As President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. mandated the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA to defer the ban of e-trikes and e-bikes on national roads in Metro Manila, the agency has announced that the regulation will begin on May 18. MMDA Acting Chairman Romando Artes mentioned that the 1-month grace period will be enough to create awareness to public with regards to the regulation. While there is a grace period, Chairman Artes clarified that the e-bikes, e-trikes, tricycle, pedicab, and kuliglig are still prohibited.
Bawal pa rin po itong mga ganitong klaseng sasakyan sa mga pangunahing lansangan. It's just that hindi po sila i-issuehan ng ticket, hindi po sila i-impound. Kung hindi, ano po ang gagawin natin? Kung sakaling mag-violate sila, 1, i-inform sila ng regulasyon na nagsasabi na bawal po sila. 2, ituro kung saan yung mga alternatibong daan. At 3, mag-comply doon sa LTO regulations regarding registration ng ganitong klaseng vehicle at pagkuha ng lisensya.
The MMDA admitted that it may have shortcoming on instructing users of the alternative route they will traverse when ban is implemented. They will utilize the remaining month for information drive.
Magpapamiting po kami ng mga traffic heads to identify yung mga alternatibong ruta at makasama po yan sa information campaign. At lalong-lalo na po pag may nahuhuli, ituturo po sa kanila kung saan sila pwedeng dumaan.
The MMDA has no plan to reduce the 2,500 peso fine to violators even if the President mentioned that it is hefty for them.
Ganoon naman po sa lahat, even sa other crimes, hinihigpitan po talaga yung penalty para wala pong gumawa. So, as of this time, hindi po namin ibababa yung penalty po.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.